Now, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to repair your mind from porn. You have to understand that whenever you're watching porn for a long period of time, you got accustomed to seeking instant gratification. And with seeking instant gratification, it makes you anxious with even every other situation in your life. It's not just porn, it bleeds into your life to where you're gonna be anxious, you're gonna have low confidence. And I'm looking at my notes here, and you're gonna have low confidence. Like, females are gonna be able to smell and sniff it out, like, you got something you're hiding. Because you know where the low confidence is gonna come from? Your low confidence is gonna come from subconsciously, you know what you did last night. So even when you go out in the world and you're talking, you know what you did in secret. You know you've been a naughty boy in secret. You know you've been disgusting in secret. You know you didn't wash your hands after you did that and you went and you make a sandwich. You know, bro. Like, you know what you do, bro. You know what you do. And that's where the low confidence is going to come from. And in order to repair your mind, bro, you have to literally reprogram your mind. You have to reprogram your mind. You have to reprogram your mind and become a completely different, have different thoughts, different belief, different viewpoint, different perspective on life. You literally have to be transformed by the renewal of your mind. You cannot think the same way. Because if you think the same way and you believe the same things, you're going to do the same thing. You literally have to reprogram your mind. Whether it's for success, you got to have a vision that's going to pull you so you can shed off all the bad habits that you've acquired. You have to have a strong vision in your future that's going to demand you changing. Like, if it wasn't for my purpose and for my vision, bro, I wouldn't have been able to quit porn. If it wasn't for my purpose and my vision, bro, I wouldn't have been able to get rid of all my bad habits, bro. If I didn't have a bigger calling or something that I want more than what I have, bro. If I didn't desire having a wife that loved me and that I love, that I'm loyal to, that respect me, bro. If I didn't desire genuinely being able to love myself and love people, and people loving me for me and be my authentic self, that desire is more powerful than me being addicted to porn, smoking weed, drinking, going out. You have to have something that's way more powerful than what you're doing right now. That's what's going to pull you out of what you're going through. So now that you have that, you have to go out in nature. Something about going out in nature and grounding with the earth, it's just, it's healing, bro. Something about just being in nature and being around the trees, it's healing. And it's just powerful, bro. It is. And that alone within itself, I ain't gotta explain that. You already know that. I'm not gonna go too deep in that. Then the final part on how you're going to really get over porn, how you're gonna reprogram your mind, how you're gonna repair your mind, is talking about it to someone next to you. Bro, if you can build up the courage to talk to someone and be like, I've been really struggling with porn. Bro, if you can build up the courage to talk to it about someone, just like how I come on the internet and I can say, bro, I was addicted to porn. If you can build up the courage, bro, and to say, you know what, I'm struggling with porn and I don't know, it's something that I'm really trying to get over. Do you have any advice? You never know, bro. That person that right next to you might be struggling with the same thing. And now you both can have conversation and come up with strategies on how to get over it. But we have to build up the courage and know that, bro, we're not in this by ourselves. And I know when you're in the corner in your room, isolated by yourself at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, when everyone else is asleep and you're with your demons just sitting there in that dark room, I know it can feel so isolating, like you're all by yourself. But I'm telling you, you're not by yourself. And if you pick up a camera and you even record a video and say like, hey guys, I'm addicted to porn, any tips, any advice, just by you taking the initiative, the courage and the willpower that you're gonna build up, you're gonna get over the porn faster than if any advice you can take from me. Take this advice. Talk to someone in person about it and watch how that's gonna change you. That alone is gonna help you repair your mind, bro. Because it's gonna help you break out of that dark room, that isolation of thinking you're the only one going through it and it's all in your head. But I'm telling you, bro, it's all in your head. There are people out here that's struggling with the same thing. And I used to think I was alone. You're not alone. You're not alone. Bro, I got over it. The last time I masturbate was like, I would say like less than 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. And let me tell you this. After the last time I did it, I know I wasn't going to do it again. I just know I wasn't going to do it again. Because let me tell you, it started off strong, then it slowly fades out. But you have to give yourself grace. Even when you're folding, even when you're going back to it, you have to know that eventually you're going to quit. And this is just your body slowly getting off of it. Bro, you can't just go cold turkey. It's going to slowly fade off to where the desire is going to slowly just go away. Because you're a new person. You have to transform your mind and then your body will follow. Your body always follows your mind. Your body follows your mind. But you have to change your mind. You have to get your mind so strong so it take back the control from your body, because you had used your mind subconsciously to program your body to be the mind. So you need to teach the body that, yo, you're no longer the mind. I am the mind now. You're going to do what I say. And you're going to put the body in submission and let the body know that I call the shots, not you anymore. And that's when your body is going to start following the mind. But you have to keep going to the gym, building mental fortitude. Talk about it. Release all of that. Shine light on the situation, because where there is light, darkness can't be, bro. The only reason why you think why it's holding, the only reason why you're masturbating and the porn is having a hold on you, bro. As I was saying before the camera got cut off, the only reason why the porn and the masturbation got a hold on you, bro, is because you're doing it in the dark. Once you make somebody know about it, now you're shining light on it. And the darkness and the demons that's in the dark, they can't affect you anymore, bro. They can't. I hope this video bless you. Leave a comment down below. And let me know, man. I enjoy making videos like this. I'm here to teach y'all how to go from rags to riches. And anything that's getting in your way, I'm here to take out that thing out the way so you can get to the millions, man. So you can start taking care of your family. And that's my job. So, hey, go check out my music if you're a follower. Follow me on all social media, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. And make sure you subscribe, man. Peace.